Here's a couple of 23-inch 1x2s that I'm going to use for this project. Now, I found a shop on Etsy that has over $58,000 in sales with this item. This video is not intended for you to copy this item and try to sell it yourself. I highly recommend coming up with an item of your own. This video is to show you that it is possible to build small woodworking projects that are easy to put together and have the possibility of bringing in good money. I'll show you the sales stats of this item here in a minute. Now, while I'm showing how I would build this here, I am not taking the time with it that I actually would if I was intending to build and sell these. I'm just showing how simple the process can be. One thing to keep in mind while you're thinking of items to build and sell is not be too biased with your own personal tastes. For instance, you may not be impressed with this item and dismiss it as a product possibility. Well, had this shop on Etsy had that attitude, they would have missed out on $58,000 in sales. Look, there's a whole world of people out there that Etsy reaches, and while not everyone will like what you have to offer, there could be many who do. You never know until you give it a try. Here's the sales stats for this item that this shop is selling. They also have different sizes they offer with different pricing. I hope showing you actual proof of sales gives you encouragement to try and find your own item that could potentially bring in thousands of dollars. Look, if you never take action, it's guaranteed you'll never make money. If you do take action, it's not guaranteed you will, but the possibility is at least there. It's your choice. Hey, thanks for watching.